Welcome to our channel. Virgin Router Firmware Update Problems. How to check and fix. Step 1. First thing, don't panic. Firmware updates can make the hub look dead for a few minutes. Give it 10 solid minutes after the update. Don't keep switching it off and on. Just let it finish. Step 2. Check the cables. Sounds silly, but during the reboot, a loose coax cable or power lead can stop it from syncing. Push them all in, make sure they're tight. Step 3. Do a proper reboot. Turn it off at the wall, leave it off for 5 full minutes, then power it back up. Don't touch it while the lights are dancing. Just wait. Step 4. Log in to the router. Type 192.168.0.1 in your browser. That's the Virgin Router login page. If you can get in, check the firmware version under Settings. Sometimes it looks stuck, but it actually finished updating. Step 5. Clear your devices. If your laptop or phone still acts weird, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect fresh. Old cache data clashes with the new firmware sometimes. Step 6. Use the Virgin Media app. It can tell you if the hub is actually online and talking to Virgin servers. Handy if you're not sure whether the problem is you or them. Step 7. Factory reset. If the update really broke things, press the little reset hole on the back with a pin, hold it for 30 seconds. That rolls it back to clean settings. You'll need the Wi-Fi details from the sticker. Step 8. Check for area issues. Updates sometimes go hand in hand with network changes. Hop on Virgin's service status page, type your postcode. If they're messing with the network, no fix at home will work until they're done. Step 9. Try another device. Don't just test on your phone. Connect a laptop or smart TV directly with an Ethernet cable. If wired works fine, the bug might be with Wi-Fi only. Step 10. Last resort, call Virgin. If the hub still refuses to play ball, tell them it died after a firmware update. Sometimes they'll push the update again remotely, or they'll just swap your hub out. Thank you for watching.